Hi, my name is Marty Glomb, and my wife Brenda. We own Peppy, which is a 1955 Kenworth butterfly hood conventional. We've had the truck for about 20 years. Spent 10 years rebuilding it. Just tried really hard to keep the truck looking original, but wanted to be able to get out and run with it. Originally had a 160 horse Cummins, a 4 and a 3 transmissions and 629 rear ends or something crazy, and geared out at 52 miles an hour. So we did update the drivetrain. It's got a big cam 3 400 Cummins in it, a 5 and a 4 and 370 rears. So it gets out and runs pretty good, but again, just really wanted to try and keep it looking original, and we've just had so much fun with the truck. Really enjoy it, going to events around the country, the ATHS National Convention and local chapter shows, and all the folks that we get to meet, spend time with. It's just really, really fun to be able to be back in person.